Tired of juggling multiple personal accounts for your business? Want to streamline your finances and give your team access to company funds? You're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into how to add users to your Airwallex account. Airwallex is a global financial platform that empowers businesses to make seamless international payments, manage foreign exchange, and much more. But what if you need to delegate tasks? Adding users to your Airwallex account is crucial for smooth team collaboration and efficient financial management. Let's break down the process. Log into your Airwallex account. Access your account through the web or mobile app. Navigate to the Team or Users section. Look for this option in your account settings. It might vary slightly depending on your account type. Click Add User. This initiates the user invitation process. Enter user details. Email address, the primary email address of the user you want to add. Role, assign appropriate permissions based on their responsibilities. Common roles include Administrator, full access to all account features. Finance Manager, access to financial transactions, reporting, and approvals. Accountant, access to accounting-related features. Operations Manager, access to specific operational functions. Other relevant information. Depending on your specific needs, you may need to provide additional details such as their phone number or department. Set permissions. Define access levels. Carefully determine which features and functions each user should have access to. This granular control ensures security and prevents unauthorized actions. Set spending limits, optional if applicable. Set daily, weekly, or monthly spending limits for individual users or user groups to manage cash flow effectively. Send invitation. After entering the details and setting permissions, click Send Invitation. An email invitation will be sent to the user's designated email address. User acceptance. The invited user will receive an email with a link to accept the invitation and set their password. Verification. Optional. Some accounts may require additional verification steps, such as two-factor authentication, to enhance security. Tips and considerations. Start with a limited scope. When adding new users, begin with minimal permissions and gradually expand access as needed. This approach minimizes the risk of unintended consequences. Regularly review user permissions. As your team's roles and responsibilities evolve, ensure that user permissions remain accurate and up-to-date. Utilize user groups. For teams with similar roles and responsibilities, create user groups to streamline the permission setting process. Prioritize security. Always prioritize security by enforcing strong passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, and regularly reviewing user activity. Benefits of adding users. Improved collaboration, streamlined workflows, and enhanced team communication by providing relevant team members with necessary access. Increased efficiency, delegate tasks and responsibilities to the appropriate team members, freeing up your time to focus on other critical business activities. Enhanced control, maintain control over company finances by setting appropriate spending limits and monitoring user activity. Improved accountability, clearly define roles and responsibilities within your team, improving accountability for financial transactions. Adding users to your Airwallex account is a straightforward process that can significantly improve your team's efficiency and streamline your financial operations. By following these steps and carefully considering user permissions, you can ensure a secure and productive working environment. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.